Welcome. In front of me is a Odys Thanos 10, and today I'll show you how you can boot this tablet into boot mode. So to get started, hold the power key right up here, select power off, and once the tablet turns off you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. So let's do that right now. Oh, actually I am charging it right now, so I need to wait for this to disappear. Come on, there we go. So now I can hold the two keys. Oh, there we go. And as you can see, it boots us into boot mode. Now in here, using volume up only, you will use this to navigate up, well, technically only down. So you can access recovery mode, fast boot mode, or normal boot, which takes us back to Android. And whatever option you want to select, you will confirm it with volume down. So because I want to leave this mode, there's nothing more to show here. I'm going to press volume down when normal boot is selected, and this will now initiate a reboot and take me back, like I mentioned, to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.